pleasures of this earthly life will fade like morning light, but treasures in your hands, O Lord, shine ever pure and bright. Lay up your treasure in heaven, where rust and moth do not destroy. Seek not the wealth of this world's gain, but seek